Murutani uyu wa watho uria mbere yo arutaga wira ta afitha wa mathako aumetwo thutha ni mamwe ma matua maria akinyanirie hindi iyo maria kuringana na commission ya motungata maigoti matiarumireire watho na koguo makamwikira maroro.
2 years after your report, the Nicholson Committee, this is now the World Rugby one, cleared Kenya Rugby of all allegations. Isn't it? They cleared them completely. But you see now, clearing them, yes, but you'd already condemned them and had. That's the point that I was trying to indicate, that 2 years later they are cleared. But you can imagine the anguish they go through.
We did not condemn anybody unheard. We collected information from several sources. I have furnished invitation letters that went out to the chair of rugby. The complaint there is that we never invited rugby to appear. Rugby appeared in a very big way.
Ihinda-inĩ riu muthomi wa githomo kia mathako na kia watho aheanite mubango wake wa mieri 3 ya mbere agiteithika kuhotana kihitahitano giki, mubango uria arauga niguo dawa ya mathina maria mari ruhonge-ini ruru.
The first thing I will do after I come in May next month is to work on mending relationships between the judiciary and the other arms of government. For me, that would be the first agenda on my list. The second agenda, Honorable Chair, is to build allies, to take the judiciary to the people.
Na kuona abiriria ta mutaramu wa mathako, commission ino ni muriti ataririe kana ari na ugi uria urafatarania watho-ini gituru-ini kiria agithukirwo agakorwo na uigiririki wa gutua matua manene megie watho.
The 40 judges were nominated by this commission almost a year ago. They've litigated, we've tried everything, and so far they have not been appointed and sworn into office. When you come into office as a Chief Justice, that will be one of the earliest problems or situations that you'll be confronted with. Have you given some thought to what you would do if you get appointed as a Chief Justice?
I would want us to engage with the Executive Office of the President in a structured way, say through either the Committee on Governance or an ad hoc committee specifically for that purpose.
Ciĩgiĩ riboti ya ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa igoti, uyu ni undu Wekesa augite ecuranitie na ni ehariirie kuruturura aria matumite ya Kenya mage mwihoko na ruhonge ruru.
Engage others who benefit from the services of the judiciary to desist from corrupt practices. And this is because if there is corruption in the judiciary, there must be somebody else out there who is bringing it to the judiciary.
Kuringana na Wekesa, weteagira gukorwo ari mutongoria wa mogaruruku maria no muhaka mekwo ruhonge-ini rwa igoti angikorwo kuri na wendi wa gukinyiria Kenya kihoto ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
Let us talk to Kenyans. Let us educate them. Let them be able to take a conscious decision whether they want to come to court or they want to avail themselves of the ADR. Okay. In the process, we reduce the people coming to court. That's number one.
Muthenya wa gatano niguo commission ya motungata maigoti igatiriha mihango ya kuhunga aria maikiti ihoya ria gutuika mucirithania munene o riri igoti nene rirutite watho wa kugiria commission ino guthie na mbere na mihango ino macira maria mahanditwo igoti-ini matari maratirihwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.